Closed loop control of speed for drives is used of to meet following requirements. Okay. First is uh, by employing closed loop speed control, we can obtain protection for given equipments. Okay, means for example, electric drives means what? It should have a power modulator. Okay, power modulator. The power modulator means what? It is composed of switches, power electronic switches. Okay, obviously these switches comes with some current rating. Okay, current rating or voltage rating. Okay, or they come with a switching frequency. Okay, their switching frequency is constant. Okay, it is decided. Okay, switch frequency, sorry. Okay, these are the limiting factors, okay, to operate a particular power electronic switch. Okay. Means what? If the current flowing through the switch is beyond its rated capacity, then the switch may be damaged. Okay, or the voltage across the switch is above its voltage rating, then in that case also the switch may be uh, damaged. Okay, or the switching frequency, if we make the switching frequency of the particular power electronic switch is very high. Okay, very high, and in that case switching losses will be very high. Okay, means what? Switching losses will be appear as a heat. Okay, it will heat up the switch. Okay, means what? In that case also the switch power electronic switch can be damaged. Okay, most of the time the main problem, okay, main protection has to be given against current. Okay, the current should not be beyond the rated value. Okay, which a power electronic switch can support. Okay, and for that purpose a protection, inherent protection, it is a given through software. Okay, it is inherent property of a software. Okay, or whatever the control algorithm employed. Okay, for example, to protect a DC motor against uh, inrush starting current. Okay, high starting current or overload protection, we use 3-point starter or 4-point starter, or in case of induction motor we use star delta starter. Okay, or direct online starter, various starters are there. Okay, they gives the protection to motor against uh, current flowing through them beyond the permissible value. Okay, but if we employ the technique closed loop speed technique, it is it has inherent property. Okay, inherent property of protection against rated against uh, against current value going beyond the rated value. Okay, means what? There is a current limit block. Okay, current limit algorithm is available. Okay, or we can use for that. Okay, second is the means what? For protection, there need not be any extra hardware circuitry. It is the part of control algorithm, control technique or software itself. Okay, second is the enhancement of speed of response. Okay, as I told you in earlier lecture. Okay, we want to change the speed. Okay, in case of drives requiring the variable speed, we have to change the speed. Okay, but that change in speed must occur in very less duration. Okay, if it occurs in very less duration, then we can say that it is a it has a high response. Okay, or it is what we call it as uh, it responds in a very less time. Okay, means what? uh, Enhancement of speed of response. Okay, for example, if I show two graphs. Okay, in one case it takes a lot of time to reach a new speed. Okay, and in other case, suppose it takes very less time to go to new speed. Obviously, this second case, okay, this second case is the faster. It is the faster, okay, and we require such algorithm, okay. And closed loop speed control do this, okay. Or you have studied in control system two types of controls. One is the open loop and second is the closed loop. The drawbacks of open loop, okay, there may be offset, okay, or offset means what? The actual quantity does not go up to reference, okay, value, okay, that may happen, okay. जर आठवत नसेल तर पुन्हा एकदा दाखवतो या ठिकाणी ऑफसेट म्हणजे काय असते ते. Suppose we want to run the machine or motor with 1500 rpm. So the command is 1500 rpm, and we have implemented open loop control, okay. In that case, what happens? The speed will increase, but it never reach to reference value, okay. This is the reference value and this is the actual speed, okay. What the difference between reference and actual is nothing but what? Offset. It is nothing but what? Offset. Means we never get a required speed. So to obtain a required speed, we have to use closed loop speed control. And third is to improve steady state accuracy. Okay, steady state accuracy means what? The drive must operate in equilibrium at every stage. Okay, that is also I will show on whiteboard. In case of closed loop control, you have studied in control system that suppose this is the reference, the response may be overdamped, okay, it may be underdamped, okay, or it may be undamped, okay. Here, okay, I will show undamped case in other figure. Suppose there is a sustained oscillation, it never settles, then it is a undamped, or it may be unstable, okay, it may be unstable, okay, it will goes on increasing, okay. This is not required, okay, this is not feasible, or we don't require such type of response, okay. These two responses are okay, okay, overdamped, this is overdamped, this is the underdamped, okay. But most of the time we want a fast response. Overdamped system has a slow response, okay. Overdamped system has slow response, or they are sluggish as compared to underdamped, okay. This is the underdamped, okay. So to obtain underdamped response, okay, with a low rise time, low peak time, low settling time, low percent of overshoot, okay. In that case, you have to use a closed loop control, okay. It is possible only through closed loop control, okay. You have also studied the design of PI, okay, how to choose the value of KP and KI, okay. By selecting the appropriate value of KP and KI, we can get a required response, okay. And PI controller or any type of advanced controllers can be used, okay, in closed loop control technique, okay. Means what? By employing closed loop control technique, we can obtain protection of power electronic switches, we can enhance the speed of response, okay, and we can improve the steady state accuracy. Okay, the first closed loop control technique is a current limit control. Okay, it does the work similar to 3-point starter or 4-point starter or DOL. Okay, see, current limit control. Okay, which is a algorithm. It is just a program. Okay, it is just program. It will do the same work of these things. Okay, because in drives, okay, I will show here. Okay, in drives, okay, we have to 1 minute. What happened? Okay, we have to change the speed of motor, and this motor is supplied. Okay, it is supplied through some power modulator. Okay, which constitutes switches. What happened? It is hang. Okay, it constitutes switches, power electronic switches. Okay, this is the basic diagram of a one line diagram of a electric drive. Okay, the motor current, okay, we have to protect the motor against overcurrent. Okay, overcurrent may happen in two cases, at starting or also during overloading. Okay, in these two cases the overcurrent may happen. Okay, but here the supply is not directly given to motor, but it is given to power electronic switches. It is given to power electronic switches. Okay, whenever a current goes beyond, suppose you want to limit the current up to 10 ampere. Okay, and suppose this is a DC motor. Okay, when this switch, okay, this switch is on. Okay, this switch is on. The supply is connected to motor. Supply is connected to motor means what? The current will rise. Okay, current will rise. Okay, and when this current goes beyond this, whatever be the, we'll place a limit, 10 ampere of limit. Okay, when this current goes beyond this particular limit, this switch will be open. Okay, when switch opens, the current again falls, again when it is come under provided limit, then again we will switch on the particular power electronic switch, so current will again rise. Okay, this operation will be repeated, okay, number of times, so that the average value of the current flowing through the motor will be 10 ampere. Will be 10 ampere. Okay, means what? By employing or by controlling the power electronic switch, we can limit the value of current to go beyond a permissible limit. Okay. Okay, what they how they do it? Okay, suppose the motor current is sensed using current sensor. It is sensed using current sensor. Okay, and this current sensor is given to a threshold logic circuit. It is a threshold means what? A limit. It denotes a limit. Okay, the dictionary meaning बघितलं तर threshold म्हणजे उंबरठा. Okay, त्याच्या पलीकडे जाता कामा नये अशा पद्धतीत. Okay. Okay, this logic circuit will limit the current, okay, to Ia max. Okay, means what? Current never goes beyond Ia max. Okay, whenever you want the current goes beyond Ia max, okay, or approach the value of Ia max, this logic circuit, this threshold logic circuit will be activated. It will be activated. Okay, and this loop, okay, this controller loop will get activated. Okay, this controller loop will be activated only when the current goes beyond IMX. Okay, in that case, the controller will be turn off the switches in the converter. Okay, so the current again come down. Okay, and this current sensor, this loop will check. Okay, this loop will check every time whether the current is below the set limit of IMX or not. Okay, this what, by controlling the switches in the converter, we can protect the motor against overcurrent problem. Okay, काय डाऊट आहे का? डाऊट असेल तर विचारा. आतापर्यंत काय? तेजस, यश धनवडे, यश धनवडे आहात का? रितेश,
हाँ सर.
कोण आहे रितेश?
हाँ सर.
ओके, तुम्ही ऐकताय तुम्ही सगळेजण. ठीक आहे. यश काय ऐकत नाही वाटतं, तर सांगा त्याला, यशला नंतर फोन करू सांग, मोबाईल ठेवून गेला वाटतं तो. तेजस, सौरभ.
हाँ सर.
ओके, तेजस आहे.
हाँ
ओके,
सर.
थोड्या वेळानंतर तेवढी एक स्क्रीनशॉट तेवढा घे.
हाँ.
काय डाऊट आहे का?
नहीं नहीं.
ओके, कोणाला काय डाऊट असेल तर विचारा. Okay, second is the closed loop torque control. Okay, it is used in electric vehicles, electric trains. Okay, if you want to increase the speed of electric vehicle, what we do, we press the accelerator. Okay, we press the accelerator means what, by the theory of electric drives, we know that if you want to increase the speed, we have to increase the torque developed in the motor. Okay, means what, by pressing the accelerator, okay, we are setting the torque reference. Okay, you can see the speed indicator in the vehicle. By, if you want to, if you are running on the speed of 30 km/h and you want to increase the speed to 60 km/h, what you do, you just press the accelerator until when the speed is equal to 60 km/h. Okay, means what, the torque or acceleration is given or set by you. Okay, means there is an invisible closed loop. Okay, present here. Okay, a closed loop, invisible closed loop is present here. Okay, this closed loop constitutes yourself. Okay, driver, ड्रायव्हर त्यामध्ये तो त्याचा पार्ट असल्यासारखाच आहे. ओके, ड्रायव्हर काय करतो, तो स्पीड इंडिकेटर बघतोय आणि स्पीड जेवढं त्याला पाहिजे तोपर्यंत ऍक्सलरेटर दाबत राहतो. ओके, म्हणजे या टॉर्क रेफरन्सच्या आधी एक इनविजिबल त्या ठिकाणी आपण म्हणू शकतो की एक क्लोज लूप आहे. ओके, so the driver set the torque reference. The driver by pressing the accelerator set the torque reference. Okay, the torque sensor is able to sense the torque developed by the motor. Okay, and it is compared again the torque reference set by the driver. Okay, the error is given to torque. Hello सगळ्यांनी म्यूट व्हा, सोडून डिस्टर्ब होतोय, म्यूट व्हा. कोण बघा अनम्यूट. काय डाऊट असेल तर त्याच वेळेला फक्त अनम्यूट व्हा. ओके, सगळे झाले अनम्यूट, तर म्यूट झालेले आहेत. ओके, the torque reference is set by the driver. The torque sensor is able to sense the torque developed by the motor. Okay, by this motor, and it is compared okay, against the torque reference. The error is given to torque controller. Okay, suppose this developed torque, actual torque in the of the motor is less than the torque reference. Okay, the torque controller will switch on the converter. So current will flow through the converter to the motor. Okay, we know that the torque is proportional to the current. So to increase the torque, we have to fed current to the motor. Means what? If the error is positive, okay, error is equal to T star minus actual T. And if this error is positive, means what? Actual motor torque is not equal to the reference torque. Okay, so in that case, error is positive. Okay, when error is positive, this torque controller will switch on the switches. Okay, switch on the switches of the converter. Okay, so the current will flow from source. Okay, here is the source. It is connected to the converter. Okay, by switching on the switches of the converter, the current will flow from the source to motor. Okay, so the motor torque of the will be increased. Motor torque will be increased. Okay, and so this error will reduce. And when this error equal to 0, okay, then we can say that whatever be the speed required by the driver, the electric vehicle is running with that speed. 60 स्पीड पाहिजे होतं, आता 60 स्पीडने रन होत आहे. म्हणजेच काय, आता ऍक्सिलरेटर दाबायची गरज नाहीये. ओके, म्हणजेच या ठिकाणी टॉर्क कंट्रोलरला जे काही इनपुट भेटेल ते 0 असेल. हे काय 0 असेल. ओके, कळालं सगळ्यांना हे क्लोज लूप टॉर्क कंट्रोल. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज क्लोज लूप स्पीड कंट्रोल. 1 minute. Okay. In closed loop speed control, there is two closed loop circuits. Okay, one is this speed loop. This speed control loop is there. Okay, and second is this current control loop is there. Okay, two loops are there. I will again release. Okay, two loops are there. How it works? Okay, we have to control the speed of the motor. Okay, 1 minute. Control the speed of the motor. So the speed of the motor is sensed. Okay, speed of the motor is sensed using speed sensor. Okay, this actual speed, okay, which is sensed by speed sensor, is compared again reference speed. Okay, which what if I want to run the machine with 1500 RPM. Okay, so my command will be 1500 RPM. Means what? Reference speed is equal to 1500 RPM. I have to give this reference. Computer will give this speed reference. Okay, this speed reference is compared against actual speed of the motor. Okay, so it will develop a speed error. This speed error is given to speed control. Obviously, the speed control is a PI controller. Okay, in simplest form, it is a PI controller. Okay, this speed controller will set a current. It will set a current. Okay, why? Suppose the machine is running with 1000 RPM and we want to run it with 1500 RPM. Okay, means what? We have to accelerate the machine. Okay, in order to accelerate the machine, the current flowing through the motor has to increase. Okay, means what? We have to set the current flowing through the machine or motor. Okay, means what the speed controller will set the current required to increase the speed. अरे डाउट असेल त्याच वेळेला अनम्यूट व्हा. Okay, so the output of speed controller is the current. Okay, in some cases it may be a torque. This current is given to current limiter. Okay, current limiter will check whether the value of current is below the permissible value of limit. Okay, we are giving the limit for protection of the motor. Okay, this whatever the current set by the speed controller must not be beyond the limits. Okay, so the current limiter's output I star is the new in output. Okay, suppose the current limits are like this. Okay, upper limit is 15 ampere and lower limit is minus 15 ampere. Okay, and actual current I is equal to suppose 16 ampere. Okay, the current limiter algorithm is like a saturating function. It is like a saturating function. Whenever the value goes beyond 15 ampere, okay, when I is equal to 16 ampere, then the output of this is never goes beyond 15 ampere. Okay, means what the input given to current limiter equal to 16 ampere, its output will be 15 ampere. Okay, suppose the input given to it is 10 ampere, then output is equal to 10 ampere. Input is equal to 9 ampere, then output is equal to 9 ampere. Means what, from minus 15 to plus 15, okay, it is a linear, it has a characteristic, linear characteristic. Okay, but beyond 15 ampere it saturates. Okay, या ठिकाणी सॅच्युरेट झालेला आहे. ओके, 15 एम्पियरच्या वर कधीच त्याचा आउटपुट झाला. Okay, means what the current limiter, it is just a saturation block. It is just a saturation block. Okay, by putting the saturation limits in the current limiter, we can protect the motor against overcurrent. Okay, so the I star will be the below the permissible values. Okay, limits. This current I star is again compared against actual current of the motor. Okay, means what, if you want to accelerate the machine, we have to set the value of current and we have to check whether the same current is flowing through the motor or not. Okay, so the I star is compared against actual motor current. Okay, again the error is given to the current controller. Again it is a PI, in simplest form it is a PI controller. This current controller output, okay, depends on what type of converter you are using, what type of motor is there. Okay, for example, suppose I will show in whiteboard. Okay, you studied chopper. Suppose I will draw a simplest buck chopper. Here is the switch, control switch. Then here is a diode. Then here is the armature of DC motor. Okay, this is the constant voltage, VC, constant voltage. And if you want to change the speed, we have to change the armature voltage. Okay, by changing armature voltage, we can change speed of the motor. Okay, how we can change the armature voltage? Armature voltage is nothing but what, across the motor, that is output voltage of this buck chopper. Okay, and we know that the duty ratio delta is equal to V output. In this case it is a VA divided by input voltage. In this case it is a VC. Okay, VC is a constant. Okay, suppose I want, suppose when the voltage VA is equal to 220 volt, then in that case, the speed is equal to rated speed. Suppose it is a 1500 rpm. Okay, 1500 rpm. Suppose when I want the speed equal to 1000 rpm, then voltage I have to set is equal to 180 volt. Suppose I want speed is equal to 500 rpm, then the voltage has to be set equal to 100 volt. Okay, and similarly. Okay, means what? To obtain a particular speed, we require the value of voltage. Okay, and that voltage can be computed using various equations. For example, back EMF equation, EB is equal to K pi omega. Okay, suppose I want to run the speed machine with 1500 rpm. Okay, for given omega is equal to 1500 rpm. Okay, I will calculate EB. I will calculate EB. Okay, EB can be calculated by using the value of EB and adding with IARA drop. Okay, I will calculate VA. Okay, I will calculate VA, and that VA must be set across this armature. Okay, so what value of duty ratio is required to set VA? Okay, means what? Suppose VC is equal to 220 volt, and when delta is equal to 1, the duty ratio is equal to 1, then in that case VA is equal to 220 volt. Okay, VC into delta, VA is equal to delta into VC, and when delta is equal to 0.5, then in that case VA is equal to 110 volt. 110 volt means what? By just changing the duty ratio means what? On off time of switch of this switch, we can set appropriate voltage across armature. Okay, across armature. Okay, and now for our control technique, how we can implement that? Okay, I will erase all these things. Okay. In our case, I will again show you the diagram. Okay, the current controller's output is given to the converter. Okay, what would be the current converter? I will show. Suppose I want to change the speed, so the reference is the omega star. It is compared against actual speed omega. Okay, the error is given to the speed controller. Okay, speed controller, the output of it is equal to I, again which is given to current limiter. Okay, it is given to current limiter. Okay, according to our algorithm, its output will be the I star, and this I star will be compared against actual current of the machine. Okay, obviously the current here, okay, the current here will be the current flowing through the armature. Okay, this is compared against reference current set by the speed controller. Its output is given to current controller. Okay, this current control is again PI controller. Now what will be the its output? Okay, in that case, okay, in this case, what we want, whatever the value of current I star set by the speed controller must flow through the armature. So current controller may be a hysteresis type. Okay, this current controller may be a hysteresis type. Okay, in hysteresis current control, what happens? It defines a band, upper band and lower band, and current never goes beyond this band. Okay, suppose the current flowing through the machine must be equal to I star, then the current will increase. Okay, when it reaches the upper band, the switch will be turned off. So when switch is turned off, the current will decrease. Okay, when it reaches the lower band, the switch is again turned off, so the current will be increased. Okay, this operation will be repeated number of times, and the average value of this current will be equal to I star. Okay, this is the basics behind the hysteresis current control, one type of current control used in the closed loop speed control technique. Okay, other types we will see in the next lecture.